Hi, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars in the Lutherie Academy, and this is the official O'Brien Guitars Lutherie Academy double-sided vacuum clamp. It's used to hold anything to anywhere that you can create a seal on both sides. I'm going to put it together and show you how to use it. When you receive your clamp, it comes with 2 T's, a valve, and about 3 feet of 1/4 inch tubing. What I do is I mark 12 inches. I'm going to use a tube cutter, but you could use just a regular knife. And I'm going to use that to double it up. I'm going to cut 2 pieces that are about 12 inches long. I'm then going to connect one into the left valve and one into the right valve. Those are just press fits, just push them in. If you ever have to remove them, just push the black part in and they pop right back out. Then take one of your T's and connect the tubing. I then cut another piece of tubing about 2 or 3 inches long. That goes into the T, and then I connect a T onto that. Then connect another piece of tubing about 2 inches long into the T, and then put the valve on. That is going to be how you're going to release the vacuum. And then from there, take the excess tubing, and that goes to your vacuum pump. Now, if you have 3/8 inch tubing coming in from your vacuum, just use an adapter. Place your double-sided vacuum clamp on your bench. Make sure that the flat side is down, and it's clearly written on there, flat side. Place it down. Make sure that your check valve or your dump valve is closed. And then whatever you place on top of it will create a seal on the top and on the bottom and hold it in place. So wherever you place it, you're now stuck to the bench, and whatever you place on top of it is stuck to the top. If you ever need to reposition it or put something else on top, just open your dump valve. That releases the vacuum. You can reposition your clamp or put something else on there. Close your dump valve, create the seal, and now you're good to go. So there you have it, the official O'Brien Guitars Lutherie Academy double-sided vacuum clamp. It will hold any object to any surface as long as you can create a seal on both sides at the same time. I've found a lot of uses for it in my shop, and I'm sure you'll find a lot of uses for it in your shop. Happy building.